The other part of our snack is going to start off with what I have is pita bread crackers is actually what it is. I like the sea salt one because it doesn't have a lot of flavor in it. It is low in sodium, but we do have, this is going to be another part of the carbs in the snack. So the servings of this is 6 crackers, so we're looking at about 35 calories, and we'll have 6 crackers set out. Children can count them. This can be part of their math class too. So, you know, always a teacher, right? So in there we have 135 grams of sodium. That is sound high, but we're not going to have a lot of sodium in a lot of other foods except for some of our choices of the toppings. First off, there's 6. So I have cream cheese. And the cream cheese I like to get is the whip, so it makes it a lot easier for the kids to smear it onto their crackers a lot easier. They can do it on themselves. So we're looking at a lot of motor skills and a lot of other activities that we've, in addition to our cooking. So we're looking at 1 gram of protein and about 50 calories, excuse me. So the kids can smear cream cheese on as many as they want, but today we're going to do 3 each because the serving is 6 crackers. So we have 3 with cream cheese. The other 3 we're going to go ahead and do hummus, and the serving size of hummus is like 2 ounces and about 150 calories. We're looking at a very low carb choice, and we're also looking at a very nice 4 grams of protein. And again, this is soft. The kids can smear this on themselves. And we've done our calorie count and our cracker count for all of the sodium and fats. We can always account for that later and adding more or less. So with the cream cheese, my kids love to put on craisins and raisins. So, they can make their little smiley faces or whatever. So we'll have raisins on this one. We can have craisins on this one. Another thing that my children really enjoyed was fishy crackers. So the fishy crackers went swimming in their cream cheese. If they don't want something on all of them, that's fine too. Then you can adjust what your calorie count and your sodium count. But with the craisins, yes, your sugar count is a little bit higher. We're looking at probably about, half an ounce of a serving and about 50 calories for the craisins. The raisins are close to being about the same, and we're looking at 0 fats, where the sodium count is really low on those also. With the hummus, we're going to do something more savory. My kids enjoyed olives. Olives is going to be your high count in your sodium at about 135 per serving. We're actually going to do a half a serving of only half a tablespoon, and we're going to put them on top. Another thing that my kids enjoyed was sun-dried tomatoes, but today we're just going to do olives. The calorie count for the olives is going to be 7 calories, and we're looking at 1.5 grams of fats. With the olives, yep, that can be high for how much olives we're using, but they're not the bad fats. So this is what we've got for the side dish for our snack today. So we're going to go ahead and blend. Okay, we're going to have to adjust a little bit since the strawberries look like they may have thawed a little bit, so it's not going to be quite the ice cream we wanted. So we're going to throw a few more frozen in there. Oops. Here we go. And this is something that the kids can be helping with, as long as you keep safety your priority. All right. Now, for the kids' favorite part is their ice cream scoop. So in here, we're going to scoop out 4 ounces of frozen strawberries and mangoes. Now, the other thing is whether or not you want milk for your kids' side dish for their drink or water. I preferred water. Sometimes I would put a slice of lemon or a slice of orange in my kids' ice water. Today we're going to go ahead and do 2% milk. We are, by doing 4 ounces, we're actually adding 4 grams more of protein to our meal, well, to our snack. So today, in total, we have 16 grams of protein. We have only 8 grams of fats. And if you look at the ingredients, we're actually having good fats. There's very low trans and saturated fats. The whole calorie count is 310, and our sodium is a little high at 300, but that's because we have some salt in our crackers, our hummus, some in the cream cheese, but obviously the olives. So this is our snack, and I hope you enjoyed it.